Guys, I got my hands on the Grove collection. Obviously this tote is not hers. I got it for free because I spent so much money. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm not gonna give you this big intro. Y'all here to see the fucking clothes. I'm here to see the fucking clothes. There's so much in here. We're gonna start small. Guys, I got the motherfucking socks. Oh my god, I feel like I need to... Fuck, why don't I have scissors? I got them in a size small, by the way. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, they're so cute. They got little frills at the top. They just got like a cute little star. They're really cute. They're just cutesy little socks. This is so exciting. But I gotta calm down. Obviously, I'll do a try on. Next, I got the headband. This is my first ever LSKD headband. Now, it does say it is a... Oh, sorry, it says one size. I thought it was telling me it was a size small. Because like, that's what it says on this tag. But it's one size. Don't mind me just opening everything. I won't be returning it. I should have brought scissors in here. Oh my god, this is so cute. We rise by lifting others. Grove LSKD, run like the wind. It's actually so cute. I want to put the headband on. I don't have a mirror. Hang on, give me a second. Oh my god, what the fuck is my hair doing? Cute. Do I look cute, guys? I actually don't know how this looks. I'm trying to look in the reflection of the TV that is in our room. Thoughts, queries, qualms, concerns. I got the crop. I wasn't going to. I'll be so honest. I did not plan to get the headband, the crop, or the socks. But I kind of blacked out when I walked into store and I just bought everything. We got the crop. I already know that it's not going to fit me fantastically because I have some large girls, but you'll see that when I try it on. But I still think it's really cute crop. And I love both the colors. Miss Kazee, I know there's more in here. Obviously, I also got the tank. I love this. I love halter tanks. You're gonna catch me wearing this in the gym all the damn time. I'm about to be kitted out in LSKD more times than you can count. I'm also curious because, like, yes, these are both light support, but apparently they're made with compression fabric, so it might actually be more supportive, but I probably won't be able to run it, which is kind of depressive, but it's fine. This is what we're working with. I love it so much. I'm a sucker for navy. The navy stuff got me. It got me good. Oh my god, it got me so good. I forgot that I literally bought everything navy. The shorts. These are so cute. I'm so glad I got them. They're super cute. I actually didn't check if these were the normal ones or the high-waisted ones now, actually, that I think about it. They're looking like they're the high-waisted ones. That would be on me if I did get them. Oh, I did. Whoops. That is so my bad. I just didn't even look. I just grabbed a size medium. Oh well. It doesn't really matter. I got the t-shirt. Oh my god. I also am now realizing I probably could have got this in a small because their t-shirts, like, it's oversized. But it's okay. Oh my god, it's so cute. Run like the wind. We rise by lifting others. 1% better every day and literally her on it. Enjoy the journey. Flowers from her first collection. Obviously, the LSKD logo and then the 5 stars representing her fam bams. Oh my god, I'm gonna like live in this stuff. And then lastly, your girl secured the sweat set. It was the year I did. I got that damn hoodie. The trackies. Navy. Low-key, this is throwing me back to high school because high school, one of my colors was navy and the only reason I had navy trackies was for school. So it's giving me school flashbacks right now. We have LSKD and just the flowers, super plain and cutesy. And then the limited edition item that sold out so fast. The hoodie. Oh my god, I'm actually so excited. Alright, I better try it all on now. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, I also have the socks on. It actually, oh. Holy shit. Okay. This is the crop. You can see what I mean by this, but like, it is so cute. Okay, hold on. I'm upset. I actually like the high-waisted shorts fine. I don't know what I was fucking worried about. And like the headband just and the socks. Hang on. Look at the socks. And on the hold on. Run like the wind. Grace, you're fucking amazing. You created a great collection. All right. Popped the tank on. I like it. Oh my god. What the okay. New quiz. The fuck do I wear with this now? Like on the bottom half. But I mean, it's not like super supportive. Like I don't think I could run long distance in this. Maybe. I don't know. You might see I might wear this to her run club that I'm going to. Oh, I actually just like the excitement in me is like through the roof. And then the back. Anything halter is like so exciting. I'm in such a good mood. Go watch my TikTok. I'm making about like 100 TikToks in this stuff. And my boyfriend's mum approved. She came in and saw it and said she liked it. So, okie dokie. I probs could have sized down and got a small in the shirt. But that's okay. It's just, it's to its true oversizedness. It's hella comfy. I'm like, this has just made my day. Guys, it do be the sweat set. Hold on. As if I'm about to live in this hoodie. Also, these pants are such a good length. Like, I got a medium. They're touching the floor. You can't see, but they're touching. Do y'all see that? There. That's a damn good length for a trackie. Boom. That's my haul. As I said, like, comment, subscribe. There is so much good content coming. Actually, I am competing in High Rocks this Sunday, so there's a whole High Rocks vlog coming. I'm also going to Grace Grove's run club that she is bringing to New South Wales. So I'll obviously vlog that. So many fun things are coming, so subscribe. Also, let me know your favorite Grace Grove piece. If you think I should have got anything else, like obviously navy is my color. But if you think I should have got the light blue stuff, let me know. Some stuff is still on the website, so if you haven't got anything yet, go check it out. Fingers crossed for you. Yeah, sending my love. Until next time, then I'll be back. Bye.